When you buy a brand new built home, there's quite a few perks. First of all, many builder will allow you to choose finishes, layout, and upgrade, so that way you can personalize your home to your unique sense of style. And then on top of that, because it is a brand new home, there's a lot less maintenance and repair. Here in California, when you buy a brand new home, you will have a 10-year structural warranty, and many builder will also offer major system warranty as well. And with new build home, it is very eco-friendly and energy efficient. So I see a lot of builder using newer type of installations, maybe foam or a higher grade, so that when you walk into the home is so well regulated temperature wise that you really don't have to use a lot of energy in order to keep the home warm, or warm during the winter and cool during the summer. So it's a great part. And then right now, with the higher interest rate, a lot of builders are giving incentive, whether it is lower point or credit for upgrade. So it is a lot of perk when you buy new build. And one of the other things you do have to consider when you buy a new build is that it is a longer timeline, meaning when you buy the home versus meaning when you get into contract to when you actually receive the key to your house, it can be anywhere between 3 months, 6 months, or a little bit longer. I mean, there are builders who will have houses that are ready to go that maybe a buyer had order, but they changed their mind, so then now it's back on the market. Those you can buy right away, and they usually will give you incentive for those, what they call our quick sell. But if one that you order and you customize the way you want, it's gonna take some time before it get finished. And for some buyer that might be a perk, because if you have a lease that is going to be ending at a certain time, you have this time frame for buying the new build and kind of timing that when the house is going to be ready for you to move into compared to when your lease is ending. So, but do keep that in mind. And then there's also another thing is potential price changes, because as they build the home, cost changes, and cost typically rise. And sometimes certain thing you want, they may have to do an add-on or a charge in addition to the upgrade that you want. And I've seen builder also change things like, we had originally offered this specific feature, now we're no longer doing it, but we'll give you a credit for it. And typically the credit is not quite the same value as what the item that they're taking away. But regardless, there are definitely quite a bit of benefit. The downside to buying a new build, typically here in the Bay Area, is that you usually have a very smaller lot. And nowadays I see builder building now all a tri-level. I no longer even see 2-level anymore. So even if you're buying a single home, it's a tri-level single home. Whether it's a townhouse, it's going to be a tri-level townhouse. Condo, then you can have 2-level, 1-level. But again, a lot are typically 3-level. They don't have driveway anymore. You really just go right into your garage. And depend on where you're buying them, some will have like a good amount of amenity, meaning guest parking, playground. But those are the typical amenity you will see. Not too many will have that big of a open space anymore, because again, right, land costs money, and they do want to maximize on the number of units they can build. And with a lot of these builders, there actually will be below market value unit within the community. So with those, they're reserved for special type of buyers. And with the below market value, understand that when you are buying it below market, so when time for you to sell it, it will stay below market, because it is meant to help buyer with a certain income so that they are able to buy a home.